This is Vicky from patternprincess.com. I'd like to thank you for watching. Today we're going to do a tutorial. This pattern here is much like the Victoria Lacy shawl in the middle. On the end here, instead of having, I'm going to show you the Victoria Lacy shawl, instead of having the straight edge where we have the little bit bigger holes here on the side where I had chained 5 here, I'm going to have a little bit of a scallop here. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. It's really relatively easy. I have part of a row started here. I'm actually in the process of making the shawl. Okay, sorry about this. So as you can see, I just have a little bit of here to go. So I'm at the point where I've just done a single crochet here. So I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I single crochet in the top part of here. This was a 3 double crochets, and then this was a chain 3. So right in this chain 3 space, I'm going to yarn over, pull through, do a single crochet, and then chain 3. 1, oopsies, my yarn is underneath here. 2, 3. Now 3 double crochet in here. Here's my first 1, yarn over, 2, 3. This was my previous row chain 4 space. I'm going to single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again in this space here, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet here yet. 1, 2, 3. Now I've come to my end of my row. Now what I'm going to do is in this bottom stitch right here, this stitch, I'm going to do a single crochet. That is my last stitch of the row. Okay, I'm now going to turn my work. And of course I'm getting my yarn tangled up in it. That really does not help. Let me pull it through. Okay, so here's that stitch I just made. Now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. In the top of the first double crochet, I'm going to insert my hook between those 2 loops, pull through, and complete a single crochet. Now I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next top loop of the next double crochet, I'm going to complete a single crochet. Chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the last double crochet, that top loop, I'm going to single crochet. Now I'm ready to continue on with a pattern that I will use the rest of the row. So this was my chain 3 spot. I single crochet, and then I'm going to chain 3, 3, and then 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And in the previous row, chain 4 space, single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the top part here was my 3 double crochets. Here was my chain 3. I'm going to insert my hook, do a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet 3 times, 2, 3. Then in the previous row of chain 4, I'm going to single crochet. I will continue on with this pattern until I get to the other side, and then I will end the row the same way that I just did. But you see how here was my chain 3, my 3 double crochet, but you see how by doing just those chains and attaching them with a single crochet, it gives me a really nice cute border, and I don't have to go around after I've finished my shawl to put the border on. This happens just as I'm making it. So again, this is how you make this beautiful lacy shawl, and I hope that you take some time to make one for yourself. I thank you for watching, and if you would like the written directions, it's at patternprincess.com. Take care.